The show starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
For like 2 years now.
Did you tell him, Greg? He's dead? Yeah. Did you tell him? If you film, it's going to be triple. And now you're going to use it? Yeah.
What up, YouTube? It's myself, Z, back again with another video. Getting my Lexus done, like I said, and I gave you guys my last footage. I'm getting my Lexus done. It's gonna be super awesome. I'm putting a timing belt. I'm also doing water pump. But what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you that I'm doing the work on the car, and I highly advise you guys, if you have a Lexus LS430 and it's over 100,000 miles, I would suggest to change the timing belt. It gives you a better performance. So we're doing the timing belt. We're also doing several things that the car has issues with. So don't mind me. I'm going to show you the car in a minute. I'm going to probably stop the background on the music a little bit because, you know, it's pretty loud, but I'm going to show you guys the car. Give me a second. Guys, there you got it. It's a really fast video that I'm doing. It's not really a big video. I really want you guys to out and subscribe, and also share with your friends. Arizona site, do me a favor, comment below. I want to meet you, maybe talk to you, get to you know, conversate. It's pretty cool to have the Lexus community always on lockdown, basically when you're doing VIP area vehicles, you know. So don't be shy. Like I said, I really like helping people out too. So if you have an issue, like I said, if you're in the Arizona side, you have an issue with your vehicle, give me a holler. I'll definitely help you out. Right now, guys, if you look on the other side right here, boom, they're working on the Lexus. So I will be back with a little bit more. Like I said, this video is just to do a quick follow-up and more like an update of what they're doing to the car. So I'm really excited. Finally, my car is going to be more dependable than what it is, you know, because if you want to keep your Lexus running clear and clean, you always have to maintain it. So I'm spending some money. Next thing is ordering my suspension. I may order an air suspension, maybe, but that will come along later in the future, you know, since I already got the car painted. I redid the interior. Now I'm doing the timing, water pump, putting some money, guys, you know. So I'm ordering the suspension. I'll have it all redone. So guys, keep on mind, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, give 10,000 likes, guys, and I'll definitely give you some giveaways, you know. So it's simple. What I'm gonna do, guys, is to share with you my VIP vehicle, and also the journey that I'm gonna take. Every footage that you're seeing, guys, is dedicated to this channel, and it's particular to Z family. So if you're part of this channel, I want to do thumbs up, and also make you understand that what I do is for you guys. All right, so take care.